Hello, it's Amanda Swift again at amandaswift.com. A little update on the Illustrator Directory, as I failed to mention how to get to the point where you can do the filters. I forgot I have full editing rights. But I did add a little bit more information here in the Illustrator Directory webpage. So, you can go back and look at that after this video. But also, I can show you here. So you're going to go ahead and click See Google Sheet. That's going to bring up the Google Sheet. And for you, you're not going to see these filters right away until you go into, at the top here, you're going to go into Data, and then Create a Filter View. So what this does is it allows you to create filters. You can see it's a temporary filter, and I believe you can save that as you can save the view, you see on the right hand side here. But then you can go through and filter this out and sort it the way that you want, and then no one else will be able to see this view, so we're not going to be competing over views. You don't have to worry about resetting it later. And I believe it still should give you the updated entries as I continue to review and approve people. And then the other way is you can go into File and Make a Copy. So when you do that, it's going to create a whole brand new Google Sheet on your Google account. And then you can filter and sort. Some of the benefits are that you're going to be able to add additional columns. So as you're researching illustrators, maybe you want to make a column about notes, of what you liked or didn't like, or you spoke and whatever else, and whatever notes you want to do, or maybe there's actually a really cool thing that you can do called rating. So I'll make a very new column here, and I'll show you how to do that. So I have to go down here and click and make it a smart chip. So then there's rating. Okay, so now you can see that there is an option for rating. So I can come in here and go, okay, I give this one 3 stars, and you can come up with your own system for rating. So then at the end, you can sort it by the stars, the rating, and then you'd be able to find your top picks, right? Obviously, you can do it other ways. I just thought this was a really cool option that's in here. And some of the downsides of doing it this way with Make a Copy, because obviously I think the upsides are pretty great, but the downside is that if I'm adding new illustrators as I approve them, your copy is not going to get updated automatically. So just keep that in mind. Maybe you have enough to go through and you're totally fine, you don't need any more. Or you can always go back and copy, paste in more, create a new one, or, it's up to you how you want to use that. But those are 2 options. So either you can go to Data and create a filter view, or you can go to File and Make a Copy. So hopefully that clears some things up, and definitely let me know if you're running into any other things that you need clarification on, or not working properly, or any suggestions. I do have a feedback form at the bottom here, so that you can give me any feedback, as well as report if you have come across anyone that is scamming you, or they're doing fraud or plagiarism, they're unethical, those types of extreme things. So, we'll just kind of see as this evolves, and please do let me know if you have any suggestions. Thank you so much.